Want to change the look of your Hyundai Palisade's dash screen? This video shows you how to customize the display theme on 2023-2025 models. Adjusting the colors can improve visibility, reduce eye strain, and personalize your driving experience. We'll walk through the simple steps to access and change these settings. To change the display theme, start by pressing the Home button on your Palisade's touchscreen. Next, select the Settings icon, usually a gear. Then navigate to Display, followed by Themes. You'll find a selection of pre-programmed color palettes here. The Hyundai Palisade offers several theme options to customize the dash screen appearance. Light theme provides a bright white background, making it ideal for daytime driving when visibility is key. Dark theme uses a black background to minimize glare, especially useful during nighttime drives. Sport theme features dynamic red accents, creating an energetic and sporty atmosphere in the cabin. Comfort theme offers soft blue tones, providing a relaxed and comfortable driving experience. Newer Palisade models with software version 25.1 or later feature an adaptive theme. This setting automatically adjusts the screen colors based on ambient light and time of day, using sensors in the vehicle for optimal visibility in all conditions. For 2025 Palisade models, you can sync your vehicle with the Hyundai smartphone app to make remote adjustments to your display theme. While physical changes to the theme require the vehicle to be parked for safety reasons, certain settings can be modified remotely through Bluetooth connectivity. Bluetooth connectivity allows you to manage some infotainment settings directly from your phone, ensuring a seamless connection between your smartphone and the vehicle's system. If you encounter issues while changing themes, ensure your software is up to date. The latest update, version 25.1 from October 2025, adds features like the adaptive theme and fixes glitches. Check for over-the-air updates through the infotainment system. Press Home, select Settings, go to System, then Updates to download the latest version. This resolves most theme-related issues. User forums can provide helpful tips and solutions if you experience glitches. Sites like HyundaiForums.com share experiences from other Palisade owners with positive feedback averaging 4.5 stars.